Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our ultimate microfiber kit. This kit was assembled by us in order to give you the highest quality microfiber and cover a multitude of detailing tasks. We've got some specific towels, and then we have some utility players, and of course a care regimen. With this kit, you can finally invest in some high quality microfiber that should last you a lifetime. Let's start with our microfiber wash pads. These happen to be my favorite wash accessory. They don't have a hand hole, but they're really gentle. They can contain a ton of water and soap solution so that you get a high lubricity, ultra safe washing solution. You've got two colors, so you can designate one for below the belt and one for your cleaner upper areas. On top of that, we have the world's best drying towel, our PFM XL Edgeless Drying Towel. We've included a couple other PFMs in there, but as soon as you use PFM, you'll understand exactly why we've dubbed it that. In addition to the dry towel, we have those utility towels that I mentioned before. We have our traditional dual weave PFM towel. These can be used pretty much in every detailing task, whether it be interior cleaning, drying after a rinseless washing process, or dusting and or detailing. On top of that, we have our ultra plush microfiber edgeless towels. You get a set of 6 of these. These can be used for rinseless washing, quick detailing, polish and wax removal on ultra sensitive surfaces, and of course interior cleaning as well. On top of that, you get our 3-pack of the PFM edgeless detailing towels. These are great for quick touch-ups with speed shine, ceramic speed shine, or best of show detailer, and have a unique shape so it won't fold over in your hand, and that PFM fabric really gives you one touch, one swipe wiping. On top of that, we have our dual weave wax removal towels. These towels come in a set of 4, and they actually feature 2 separate weaves. One longer weave to pick up the majority of wax or leftover polish residue. Flip it over to the other side, you'll find a very short, fine weave that will remove any remaining residue. They're 9x9, they fit in your hand very nicely, and they won't fold over and drag as you remove stubborn wax. We also feature a 3-pack of our dual weave interior cloths. These are great for interior cleaning. They feature a grabby side that can be used for tough stains and leather cleaning, and then a fine side that can be used for sensitive surfaces such as plastic, LCD screens, or just great for dusting things like your dash and door panels. After that, we have our microfiber shop towels. It's a pack of 20. Think of your traditional cotton towel on steroids. This is way more absorbent, can be used for super dirty tasks around the garage, including oil spills, and you can actually discard them if you get them too dirty. They're a great addition and upgrade to what is a traditional shop solution. With all those microfibers and spending a lot of money on this kit, you want to be sure that you care for them correctly. We recommend washing your microfibers separately from anything that's cotton and with a detergent that does not include fabric softener. On top of that, we recommend adding microfiber foam and pad cleaner, which you'll get included in this kit, as a booster. That way you make sure that your microfibers last a long time and that they're incredibly absorbent and retain the characteristics that you invested in them for. So there you have it, our ultimate microfiber kit. If this is your first time buying nice microfiber, you're gonna be extremely happy. You're gonna see the light as it relates to PFM technology, and you're gonna have a great way to care for them long term. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.